How to fix Roblox Error Code 429. So in case you open your Roblox and this one appears, error code 429, an error was encountered during authentication. This means it's not your fault. And the very first thing to do here is to wait. I think you have to wait for a couple of hours, and then this one will be fine or automatically fixed. Now, in case after a few hours you still encounter this problem, what you're going to do here is to first go to your network connections. So go to the search bar here and then type network connections, or you can just simply type connections. And then once done, what you want to do is to click open. Now, here's the thing, you have to select the network that you're connected to. So, as you can see, I'm currently connected to my Ethernet. So, do not pick the one that has X here. You have to click this one, right click, and then go to Properties. Okay, so scroll down, tap Properties. Now, under Properties, you have to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Tap this one, and then you have to click Properties again. Now here, what you want to do is to simply go to this obtain DNS server address automatically, and we're going to change some of the numbers here. So for preferred DNS server, all you have to do is to simply change this to 8, 8, 8, and 8. For alternate DNS server, what you want to do is to change this to 8, 8, 4, and 4. Once done, all you have to do is to simply click OK, and that's it. Now, the next thing to do here is to go back to your desktop and restart your computer. Now, once you open your computer again and then log into your Roblox and still you see this same problem, like what I've mentioned earlier, all you have to do is to wait for a couple of hours till Roblox fixed this issue. And that's how to fix Roblox error code 429. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.